Tess Holliday is more than a plus-size model. She's a body positivity icon, a best-selling author, and a cover star who broke barriers in fashion. But her real power, her mastery of social media. Tess uses platforms like Instagram and TikTok not just to share photos but to tell stories. She blends bold fashion, real conversations, and unapologetic confidence. Every post challenges outdated beauty rules and replaces them with self-acceptance. Her strong online presence caught the attention of global fashion brands and magazines. Tess became one of the first plus-size models to appear on major magazine covers, proving that representation matters. Social media turned her voice into visibility. Full name: Tess Christine Holliday. Tess Holliday. Date of birth: July 5, 1985. Tess Holliday. Place of birth: Laurel, Mississippi, USA. Tess Holliday. Height 170 centimeters. Tess Holliday. Weight 159 kg. Occupation: plus-size model. Body positivity advocate, influencer, author. Tess Holliday's social media prowess isn't about perfection. It's about power, presence, and purpose. She shows the world that confidence is the real cover star and everyone deserves to be seen.